विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नुकतीच 12वीची परीक्षा पार पडलेली आहे फेब्रुवारी 2024 मध्ये. यामध्ये एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 सेक्शन डी मध्ये आलेला हा क्वेश्चन्स आहे आणि इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. 4 मार्क्ससाठी आलेला आहे. याचं सोल्युशन फार सिम्पल आहे आणि ते आता आपल्याला याचं सोल्युशन बघायचं आहे. इव्हॅल्युएट इंटिग्रेशन 5e to the power x 5e to the power x upon e to the power x plus 1 e to the power x plus 1 next bracket e to the power 2x plus 9 into dx. अशा प्रकारचा क्वेश्चन सेक्शन डी मध्ये आलेला आहे आणि हा जो क्वेश्चन आहे मित्र हा 4 मार्क्ससाठी आलेला आहे आणि फार सिंपल आहे. जे विद्यार्थी सध्या 11वीला आहेत आणि जे 12वीमध्ये गेलेले आहेत अशा विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी त्यांनी जरूर हा व्हिडिओ बघितला पाहिजे. आणि किती सिंपल मॅथमॅटिक्स आहे, कारण हा इनडेफिनाईट इंटिग्रेशन्सवरचा क्वेश्चन्स आहे. तर याचं आता आपल्याला सोल्युशन्स घ्यायचं आहे. बघा solution. First we write here the given problem. Let I is equals to integration 5e to the power x upon e to the power x plus 1 next bracket e to the power 2x plus 9 into dx. बघा, इंडेफिनाईट इंटिग्रेशनचं प्रॉब्लेम बघितल्यानंतर तुम्हाला सर्वप्रथम हे डिसिजन घेता आलं पाहिजे की हे प्रॉब्लेम कुठल्या मेथडमध्ये बसते ते. तर मित्र, याच्यामध्ये जर आपण या प्रॉब्लेमच्या फंक्शनचं ऑब्झर्वेशन केलं 5e to the power x अपॉन e to the power x plus 1 e to the power 2x plus 9 into dx, तर इथं दोन मेथड आपल्याला यूज करावं लागतील. एक मेथड म्हणजे सबस्टिट्यूशन्स मेथड वगैरे इथं आपल्याला यूज करायची आहे. आणि सबस्टिट्यूशन्स मेथड यूज करण्यासाठी आपल्याला या प्रॉब्लेमला अशा प्रकारे लिहावं लागेल. आय इज इक्वल्स टू इंटिग्रेशन 5e to the power x upon in bracket e to the power x plus 1 next bracket e to the power 2x can be written as e to the power x to the power 2. इंडायसेस रूल वापरला आपण. e to the power m to the power n, e to the power m into n plus 9 into dx. And then we use here method of substitutions. First we use here method of substitutions, and for a method of substitutions here we put e to the power x is equals to t. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then here ddx of e to the power x into dx, which is equals to dt. Therefore I is equals to integration, use these substitutions, and we write here 5e to the power x. E to the power x is equals to t. So we put here e to the power x is equals to t. Here we put e to the power x is equals to t, and this e to the power x into dx is equals to dt. So this 5 as it is upon e to the power x, we write here t plus 1 next bracket again here e to the power x whole square, so t square plus 9 e to the power this x into dx, and e to the power x into dx is equals to here dt. So we write here dt. In this way we use here method of substitutions. Then here this is in denominator product of two functions are present, and here one factor is quadratic, another is linear factor. So we use here method of partial fraction because the degree of the denominator is greater than degree of numerator. So we use here method of partial fraction. So first we write here the given function 5 upon here t plus 1 next bracket t square plus 9 is equals to a upon t plus 1 plus bt plus c upon t square plus 9. That is, here we use the method of partial fraction. Then we write here LHS as it is, and here left hand side is 5 upon t plus 1 next bracket t square plus 9 is equals to. Here we add these two terms, but denominator is different, so cross multiply. A into t square plus 9 plus bt plus c into t plus 1 into t plus 1 upon multiplications of the denominator, that is in one bracket t plus 1 another bracket t square plus 9. In this way we add these two terms, and here denominator is different, so cross multiply. A into t square plus 9 t plus 1 into bt plus c upon t plus 1 into t square plus 9, and here denominator get cancelled because denominator is equal, so denominator get cancelled. Therefore here this LHS, that is 5 as it is equals to, we multiply a to each term in this bracket, so we get a t square plus 9a plus bt multiplied by t plus 1. We solve this two bracket, so here bt multiplied by t plus 1 plus c multiplied by t plus 1, c multiplied by t plus 1. Therefore here this 5 as it is equals to a t square plus 9a plus bt into t, so we write here bt square bt into 1, so we write bt plus c into t, so we write here ct, c into 1, so plus c. That is, here we solve the bracket. Therefore here 5 can be written as here 0t square plus 0t plus constant, that is 5, is equals to at square, this at square and bt square, at square and here bt square. From this t square take common, so we write here a plus b, and here t square take common. Next here this bt plus ct, bt plus ct, from this t take common, so we write in bracket b plus c into t take common plus, next we write here the constant term, that is 9a and c, so 9a plus c, 9a plus c, right in one bracket. Then here we equate the coefficient of the similar term. In right hand side coefficient of t square is a plus b, so right here a plus b is equals to, in LHS coefficient of t square is 0, so a plus b is equals to 0. Next we write here b plus c is equals to again 0, b plus c is equals to 0. 9a plus c is equals to 5, so we write here 9a plus c is equals to 5. From this equation a is equals to minus b, a is equals to minus b, this is the equation number first. B is equals to minus c, therefore from second equation b is equals to here minus c, this is equation number second. 9a plus c is equals to 5, so in this equation we put a is equals to minus b and c is equals to again minus b. Here b is equals to minus c. Therefore c is equals to minus b. Therefore here from equation first 9a, but a is equals to minus b. So we write here minus b plus c. B is equals to minus c. Therefore c is equals to minus b. So we write here minus b is equals to this 5 as it is. Therefore here negative into positive negative, 9b minus b is equals to 5. Minus 9b minus b, so we get here minus 10b is equals to 5. Therefore b is equals to 5 upon minus 10. Therefore here b is equals to 5 ones are 1, 5 twos are 10, so minus 1 by 2. This is the value of b. Value of b is minus 1 by 2. Next, we find here the value of c. Putting the value of b in equation number second, we get the value of second constant term, that is c. So put b is equals to minus 1 by 2. Put b is equals to minus 1 by 2 in equation second. In equation number second. So we get here, this is equation number second. Here we put b is equals to minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus c. Minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus c. Then this cc, sorry, negative sign get cancel. Therefore from this c is equals to 1 by 2. This is the value of c, and value of c is 1 by 2. Next we find the value of a. Next we find the value of a, and we put here the value of b minus 1 by 2 in equation number first. We put here minus 1 by 2. So negative into negative positive, a is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore here the value of a is equals to 1 by 2. This is the value of a. Then putting the value of a, b, c in this equation, that is, we put the value of here a, b and c. Then we get here. So 5 upon t plus 1, t square plus 9 as it is. So we write here, therefore 5 upon t plus 1, next bracket t square plus 9 as it is, which is equals to a, but a is equals to here 1 by 2 upon t plus 1 plus bt, but b is equals to here, b is equals to minus 1 by 2. So we write here minus 1 by 2 t plus c is equals to 1 by 2 upon t square plus 9. Then here integrating both sides with respect to t. Therefore integration 5 upon t plus 1, next bracket t square plus 9 into dt is equals to here 1 by 2 constant, integration dt upon t plus 1. Then here minus 1 by 2 constant, integration t upon t square plus 9 into dt plus 1 by 2 constant, integration dt upon t square plus 9. Therefore here this is I is equals to 1 by 2 integration here 1 upon t plus 1 into dt minus 1 by 2. Here multiply numerator and denominator by 2 for a substitutions method. So 1 by 4 इंटिग्रेशन 2t upon t square plus 9 into dt plus 1 by 2 integration dt upon t square plus 9 can be written as 3 square. Plus 9 can be written as 3 square. Therefore, I is equals to this 1 by 2. 1 by 2. We evaluate here integration 1 upon t plus 1, and this is of the type integration f dash of t upon f of t is equals to log of mod of f of t plus c. यानी जब डिनोमिनेटर का डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर के अंदर रहता तब डिनोमिनेटर को लॉग लगाने के बाद में उसका आंसर यानी हो जाता. सो यहाँ पे t का डेरिवेटिव 1 है, 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 है. दैट इज हियर द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर इज प्रेजेंट इन न्यूमरेटर. देयरफॉर द इंटीग्रेशन इज log ऑफ mod ऑफ t plus 1 minus 1 by 4 as it is. Again here the derivative of t square is 2t, derivative of 9 is 0. Therefore the derivative of the denominator is present in numerator. Therefore integration is log of mod of t square plus 9 plus here 1 by 2. And this is of the type integration dx upon x square plus a square 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So here we write into 1 by 3 tan inverse t by 3 plus c, and where c is integrating constant. Therefore I is equals to here 1 by 2 log of mod of t is equals to e to the power x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 log of t square, that is e to the power 2x, because t is equals to e to the power x, plus 9 as it is, plus here this 1 into 1 1, 2 into 3, so right here 6 tan inverse t e to the power x upon 3 plus integrating constant c. And in this way here we complete the solutions of the given indefinite integration by using method of partial fraction. तर मित्रांनो अशा प्रकारे या प्रॉब्लेमचं सोल्युशन्स इथं कंप्लीट झालेलं आहे. एक सिंपल प्रॉब्लेम आहे, याला मार्क्स भरपूर आहेत, 4 मार्क्स आहेत. सेक्शन डी मध्ये बोर्डाच्या पेपरमध्ये विचारते आहे. त्यामुळे जेही विद्यार्थी 12वीला असतील त्यांनी याकडे थोडंसं लक्ष द्यायला पाहिजे. आणि ज्यांनी आता 12वीचा पेपर दिलेला आहे फेब्रुवारी 2024ला, त्यांनी हे ॲन्सर टॅली करून बघावं की त्यांनी जर हा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व केला असेल तर त्यांचं उत्तर बरोबर आहे किंवा नाही. मला अपेक्षा आहे की तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर माझ्या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. आपण जर काही नवीन विद्यार्थी असाल, 12वीचे असाल, 11वीचे असाल आणि तुम्हाला जर गणित शिकायची इच्छा असेल तर माझ्या चॅनलला जरूर सबस्क्राईब करा. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ आपण तुम्हाला बनवतो. आणि आपण जर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं तर त्याचं नोटिफिकेशन्स तुम्हाला मिळणार आहे. तर ठीक आहे, आता आपल्याला इथं थांबायचं आहे. तर पुनश्च आपली भेट नंतरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये होईल. ओके.